everyone, welcome back to Health Metrics. This is Harini, your registered dietitian, and today we are going to be talking all about your vitamin and mineral supplements. Dietary supplements are products that people use to add nutrients or other compounds to their bodies. From individual vitamins and minerals to blends of nutrients and herbs, there are numerous supplement products on the market that claim to provide specific health benefits. However, due to limited regulation, it's not always clear which supplements are of high quality nor which are waste of money or even potentially dangerous. What are supplements, vitamins, minerals, and proprietary blends? Supplements are products that are taken by mouth and contain a dietary ingredient such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, botanicals, your amino acids, enzymes, probiotics, antioxidants, or even other nutrients. Available in numerous forms including capsules, your gummies, tinctures, powders, liquids. Dietary supplements are typically marketed as an easy and efficient way to boost your physical or your mental health. For most healthy individuals, it's possible to consume all the vitamins and minerals you need through the diet alone. However, there are certain conditions and medications and circumstances where these supplements may be needed to meet the nutritional needs. Still, a key point to make when talking about dietary supplements is that they are designed to supplement, not replace, nutrients or other compounds in your diet. Nutrients in foods versus vitamin and mineral supplements. Eating a variety of foods is the best way to ensure that you are meeting your vitamin and mineral needs. After all, different foods contain varying amounts and combinations of nutrients. For example, citrus fruits are known for being high in vitamin C, while leafy greens are an excellent source of vitamin K. In addition to vitamins and minerals, foods contain other essential nutrients including protein, your healthy fats and fiber, all of which are needed for overall health and optimal bodily functioning. Furthermore, plant-based foods in particular are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, two classes of compounds that are linked to benefits such as reduced inflammation and protection against chronic diseases. In contrast, supplements do not offer the same nutritional benefits. As they are meant to supplement, not replace a healthy diet, they generally provide only concentrated amounts of specific nutrients. So, who needs these supplements? In general, taking vitamin and mineral supplements, it's not necessary for healthy adults with adequate intakes of these nutrients. While it's preferred to get these essential nutrients through your diet, some may struggle to do so. So there are also certain instances in which supplements may be indicated. Individuals who may benefit from these supplements include women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, exclusively or partially breastfed infants, adults or children with diagnosed nutritional deficiencies, individuals with conditions causing nutrient malabsorption, those who have undergone bariatric surgery such as gastric bypass, adults or children with restricted access to foods, and maybe some vegans and vegetarians. Regulation of supplements. The Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, does not evaluate the effectiveness, safety, or quality of dietary supplements or the ingredients in them before they enter the marketplace. This is important to realize as it means that there is no guarantee the product contains what it claims to. Furthermore, a product may even contain varying amounts of the ingredients from batch to batch. The best way to ensure the quality of the product is to look at one that has been certified by a third-party company. Taking supplements carries some risks. Depending on the type and level of ingredients, there are risks of side effects, toxicity, and interactions with drugs, foods, and alcohol. Additionally, supplements are not guaranteed to be effective. So please check with your dietitian or a doctor before taking any sort of supplements. Thank you. Don't forget to like and share my video to as many friends and relatives as possible to let them know about the vitamin and mineral supplements that they might be consuming without the advice of a dietitian or a doctor. Take care and I'll see you next week. Bye.